boy, y'all asked for it, so I'm gonna give it to you. That's sir, another mod, another mod. Told you I had a What's up, YouTube? Your boy is back with another banger. I told y'all, boy, I was gonna have these videos coming left and right for y'all. Today, y'all, today, I just got in from vacation. I had that video posted soon, but I got something very special for y'all. When I told y'all I had these mods coming left and right, I do have these mods coming left and right, man. But I think y'all love this mod right here, man. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. This mod right here is brought to you by yours truly. That's right, PS Designs. I told y'all I had a wicker build in for y'all, man. Y'all thought I was joking, man. PS Designs. PS Designs. This is the two-piece. This is the two-piece wicker build set, bro. Like I said, this is the two-piece wicker build that came with the car. Well, it didn't come with the car, but the one that I ordered. That's the two-piece with the cutout camera on it. It does come with the rivet set. But yeah, it's the two-piece set, man. I'm gonna try to get this installed probably tomorrow once I get off work. But like I say, it is the two-piece set. But y'all best believe, boy, when I told y'all, man, I had these mods coming, man. The mods are here. So like I said, this just came in, I guess today. As soon as I got back from vacation, the piece set did come in. So there you see it. I have the rivets for it. Y'all see what it is. I told y'all I had mods coming, man. Like I say, this design is by PS Designs. I will have the information in the link down below of this wicker build. Y'all gotta forgive my car, man. The birds took over my car during my little time down at the beach, so y'all gotta mind that. You know I'm finna go take this car and go get it washed. But yeah, man, I told y'all thought I was joking with these mods, bro. But y'all stay tuned, because I got some more special stuff coming. I'm thinking about adding my name added on here, on that clear piece. So y'all, so for those that don't know, this piece right here is black, and the centerpiece of the wicker build is clear. So I'm trying to think, do I want to get my name on this one? Which I probably am, or I might get Thanos on there. It's gonna be one of the two. But y'all tell me what y'all think down in the comments, which ones I should do. Should I do my captions name on here, or should I do, you know, Thanos on there? Y'all let me know. Also let me know what color y'all think that should be in. I'm gonna actually go by y'all vote on the color that I'm gonna get the name put on here. Me personally, I think I'm gonna do Thanos though. I'm not gonna do no rainbow. Shout out to the LGBT. I don't have nothing against y'all, but I'm just not gonna do no rainbow on it. It's gonna be in yellow, but y'all tell me what name should I put up there. Should I go, like I say, should I go with the captions, or should I go with Thanos across there? This wicker build will be on before the end of the week, before the next video upload. But again, like I said, man, this one is brought to you by PS Designs. No, they're not sponsoring me or anything like that. I went with PS Designs on a wicker build. I don't know what happened with BJ's garage. I don't know what happened with that. If y'all know more information on what went down with BJ's garage, and y'all inform me, because I was thinking about ordering stuff from them, but I'm hearing a lot of folks say no, don't order from them, due to the fact that people was ordering stuff, and here 3 or 4 months later they still ain't received nothing. So y'all let me know what's going on with BJ's Auto. I did want to get some stuff from them, like another mod that I got coming. The next mod that's coming, it's gonna be something dealing with up here for the next mod that's coming. And also it's gonna have something to do with this side piece over here. Also, like I said, this rear diffuser, man, it's okay. I'm not too happy with this rear diffuser. I don't know if y'all can see it or not because of the sun, But this rear diffuser, I was thinking about getting these pieces done in yellow, these little trim pieces. I still might do that, you know. And also my racing stripes, I'm gonna try to get them done this week, if not this week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with a black racing stripe down the middle also, but it's gonna be trim. It's gonna have the yellow trim on it. Y'all will see that mod too when it gets done, man. But in the meantime, man, like I said, if y'all haven't hit that subscribe button, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment. Like I say, man, I'm gonna keep these videos coming for y'all for 2020, man. Also, I got another video coming up of the beach trip again. What else, man? I got so many videos, y'all. I'm finna start uploading, man. But I just need y'all to stay tuned, hit that comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. But hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm Kevin, by the way, man. Some folks call me Cap. That's why you see the captions. Everything I do is start with the K. But if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm thinking about adding a Snapchat. Y'all comment below and let me know if I should add my Snapchat and Facebook and all that. But in the meantime, man, like I said, I just got back in from vacation, man. I'm finna take another vacation in a couple more weeks, man. But I'm also get these mods to y'all, bro. I'm gonna get them to you. I'm gonna get them to you one by one. You may see 2 videos uploaded in 1 week, but like I said, man, I'm getting them up there, man. I just need more subscribers. The more subscribers, the more I'm gonna get done, man. But in the meantime, I'm finna get in here and get unpacked. I'm gonna call my guy so we can go ahead and get this stuff installed on, and I'm gonna give y'all another video of it getting installed on and how it looks, man. But like I say, I need y'all's comment down below to let me know the name I should put on there. Y'all tell me, should I go with Thanos right here, or should I go with the captions across here? Y'all let me know, man. Let me know. I need y'all opinion on this one, man, because I'm kind of back and forth. Should I put Thanos on there or should I put captions on there? Also, give me a letter font if y'all want to see, man. But in the meantime, I'm finna get back in here because I got some unpacking to do, and I gotta go take this thing and get it washed. So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.